Hi, and welcome to KICO's world, where I, KICO, was brought to life by a little girl all alone in her bedroom. She was bored and she needed a friend. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to do a cute, quick little holiday, extravagant, festive makeup look. This look is strictly for beginners. Your girl got her wine because she is about to get fine. And if you would like to know how to achieve this look, keep watching. So as you guys saw, I went and got a few things. I went and got this red glitter for the eye. I went and got red glitter for the lips, a silver version for the eye, because sometimes you can do a Christmas look with the red or the silver. I went and got white eyeliner because today I want to do the white eyeliner, and I got black eyeliner. Again, I told you my favorite is NYX, so I've got the black one and I got the white one. So let's get started. So I got this from downtown Los Angeles. And it pretty much has like all these cute colors. I forgot it has shimmers up here, but it also have shimmers up there for when you want to do an extra look. So I'm going to use a brow pencil. And voila! Wine and fine, okay? All 2025, all 2024, wine and fine. So now that we did that, you already know that I like to go in with my eyeliner. So we're gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. Is my favorite. If you've seen day 1, day 3, whatever ones I did the makeup tutorials for, you'll know that this is my favorite.
Direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, and I see you. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I know. Baby, when something now is taking over. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
Okay guys, so the contour is complete. I pretty much did the foundation, contour, the liner, and now we're gonna go ahead and let that set. I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna set it, and while that sits, we're gonna play around with the red glitter. Okay, now while this sets, we are going to put on some glitter on our eyes. So usually I would do lashes first, but because we're gonna play around with the eyes for this makeup look, I'm gonna do the lashes last. So we got this red glitter. So excited to try it. All right, so when I do my glitter look, I usually put it right above that black liner. So watch closely, okay? Try to turn the mirror so y'all can see. So basically, you're gonna want to do that on both sides, and then you're gonna want to clean it up just a little bit so that it's precise. We're gonna try our white liner. Matter of fact, we're gonna hold the white liner because I want to do that last. Let's go ahead and blend this in. Let's blend it in. So we can go ahead and play with the eyelashes, do a little, not play with the eyelashes, but do a little mascara for the eyelashes, get them ready for the lashes. While this dries, we're gonna prep the lashes. And this was better than sex, as you already know. If you know, you know, Too Faced. So now let's go ahead and put some eyeshadow. So I want to show you guys. We have all of these colors. Okay, so we're gonna play with the eyeshadow just a little bit. I do want to add, let's see, it's a Christmas party we're getting ready for. So we're gonna do this with a little bit of dark. So just put that like right above the glitter. Then you're gonna kind of like fade it up just a little bit. See that? So take that glittery red. Then I like to usually mix my eyeshadows with brown because it kind of tones it down a little bit. Not necessarily brown for this. It's going to be this darker burgundy brown color. And you're just going to dab it and pretty much go like... You know what I mean? This goes at the top. Boom. Then we're gonna take a smaller brush and we're gonna go in it with some, let's do some white. So we're gonna take some of that white and kind of just go in like the inside. And kind of like blend it out in the corners, you know what I mean? You see how it's a little lighter right there? So the thing is, if your face beat is right, then the eyeshadow kind of like just automatically looks good. No matter what you really do. Like you could just freestyle and play with it and it'll look good. Then we're gonna take some at the top just to blend that out. Now we're gonna take that little dark brush that we had and we're just gonna go under the eye with that dark color again. So take this dark down here and kind of go under like your lashes. Kind of creates like a little smoky look. So let's go ahead and set the face with the MAC. Mine is for the light is NC50, and for the foundation color for the rest of my face to blend everything in, I do NC45. Okay, now usually I put on my glitter with my finger, but I have nails on today. That's not gonna work. So we're just gonna finish it off with some highlight and some eyeliner. So we're gonna use this white eyeliner. Oh, do y'all see how that brings out like this is my first time using this, and it's called Jumbo. It's from NYX. I love, like, y'all be sleeping on the NYX products. I love NYX liners, like their lip liners, their eyeliners, and now this is called NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon. It rubs on so smoothly. I'm all about rubbing my makeup on smoothly. So this kind of gives it that Christmas look from Benefit. It's called Cookie. In our nose, on our point. and then here. And then we're just gonna add a little bit here. And here. Rub that in a little so it can, there you go. And then you're going to add a little bit in the corner of your eye because, like I said, this is a glittery, extravagant Christmas look. And boom! There you have it. And then we're gonna spray. And to be honest, you really don't need lashes. Now, this right here is eaten without the lashes. No. Okay, yeah, no. We looking like Hunger Games. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Vlogmas Day. What is today? I'm losing track. I think it's 6. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. And go enjoy that party, girl. Bye.